Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing hosting a deal. So in this video, I'm going to tell you two of the finest coupon codes plus a special discount link which is mentioned in the description of this video. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing hosting a deal running right now, specifically the new year sales deals running right now. Make sure to click on the link in the description if you want to enjoy this amazing deal, and scroll below and look around on their reviews. You may be surprised to see that they got 59,000 reviews, which is a huge number. And if you look around on the reviews, Hostinger got amazing reviews. Look at them. So make sure to click on the link in the description if you want to enjoy this amazing deal. But if you look around on the reviews are very supportive. Everyone almost praised Hostinger for their primary hosting company, and this was one of the reasons why I opted for Hostinger. And these are the Hostinger reviews. Look around for them. So I've been recommending my clients to migrate to Hostinger. Almost everyone praises them, which is why I'm saying you to click on the link in the description and use this amazing deal. And if you want to create your website within minutes, Hostinger has a dedicated create with website builder program. Just click on this link and you will be redirected over there, and you can also use this later on as well. Hostinger also support WordPress without complexity. So if you want to build a website on WordPress, or if you want to migrate from Hostinger, they have a dedicated service and link for this service. So just click over here and you will be landed over here to get it shifted. So make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing deal. So these are their plans, and you can also directly go them over here from start and over here. So if you click on the link, you will be landed over here. So look around on all of these plans. Premium, business and cloud setup, you can get as much as 95% on any of the plans, but I recommend you to simply select the view all features and do a thorough comparison plan features function before opting for anyone. But if you offer the premium plan, simply select the choose plan over here, because right now you're getting 85%, and I'm going to show you how you can get as much as up to 95%. So once you click on the link in the description, then click on this link over here on the choose plan. Once you click on this link, you will be landed to another page, and on that page I'm going to show you that this is a special biggest deal, New Year sale running right now from audience. So click over here, and in this link you can opt for 48 months, 24 or 12 months. My recommendation to go with 48 months, so you can save the maximum amount of money when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. My recommendation is to opt for this one. You can see your order summary over here, and before you click over here on this link, I wanted you to get a free domain over here. You can also get it free from your control panel later on as well. The free domain service is valid only for the first year, so I'm going to show you how you can grab a free domain for the first year. So over here, after you select your free domain, click on this link and make it 1 year. And after this, you can see your order summary over here. You're getting 48 months at 85%. and 3 extra months free and free domain as well. Now select this, have a coupon code, and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply apply over here, and your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deal. So 85% plus 10% additional 95%, and even then 3 extra months free domain. Amazing thing over here. So once this coupon code is loaded, there is another coupon code as well, so you can use this one as well. So it's your choice which coupon code you're gonna apply. Both are available in the description of this video along with the special discount link. So after this, simply select the continue over here and move on to the last part. And the last part is selecting doing your billing part. Write your billing details over here and simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, you can go at the payment methods, but before you select payment methods, see your order summary over here. For everything is almost right, and then write your credit card details and simply select the submit payment, or you can use other payment methods described over here, which are a variety, and you can use any one. So make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to get this amazing deal at Hostinger. So this is a limited time deal running right now at Hostinger. So enjoy your hosting with Hostinger with a special discount link and to the finest coupon codes. Good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.